If you are walking in the city of Morón in Cuba, here are a few things you might see. Parque Martí, a central park, is a great place to relax and people watch. It features a large statue of José Martí, a Cuban national hero. Morón Theater, a beautifully restored theater, is an architectural gem and is still used for performances today. Iglesia de San Juan Bautista, an 18th-century church, is a fine example of colonial architecture and features ornate decorations and religious artwork. Calle Martí is a street which is one of the main commercial areas in Morón and is lined with shops, cafes, and restaurants. Plaza de la Independencia is a square is located in the heart of Morón and features a large monument commemorating Cuba's independence from Spain. These are just a few examples of the many things you might see while walking around the city of Morón in Cuba.